be honest, at this point, I have no idea what I'm doing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thanks for stopping by and hope you will like what you will see. Today I'm gonna do this look using just products from Poundland. If you're not from UK, then I'll tell you what is Poundland. So basically it's a one-quid shop, pretty self-explanatory, so everything is just one quid, and they have a small range of makeup. So I thought, why not give it a go and see how they gonna be. I've been wanting to do this challenge for a long time because I thought, why not, and I'm a complete cheapskate, so this is gonna be fun, I think. I mean, I hope my skin is not gonna be too damaged. I picked a couple of things from Poundland, including two brushes. So it's like a beauty blender and there's like a foundation brush. I'm gonna start off with the foundation, which is Made Me Over long lasting foundation with vitamin enriched. It's in the shade 2. So I just hope that I picked the right shade, because yeah, it happened many times. Oh, mine looks very cakey and kind of watery. I mean, oh my lord, it's really watery. Yeah, it's very weird, like I could say the texture straight away, because it looks a little bit like a piece of porch, to be honest, but at the same time it's like so watery. I could do like this and it just like falls. I'm gonna use this blender, which smells weird, but whatever, I'm gonna give it a go. And yeah, see what it's gonna be like. I think I picked the right shade, I think. To be honest, this feels like an experiment, because when you don't know what you put on your skin and when it's something quite cheap, you're like, you know, do you want to expose your skin to this stuff? That looks very suspicious. It looks very orangey. Like, I thought it's gonna be my shade, but it's actually not my shade. It looks actually quite orangey, and it's so weird, like when it's getting dry, it's another color. Like in the beginning you put it's one color, and in the end it's another color, which is so weird. Yeah, I must say it looks quite orangey. This foundation is so weird. Oh man, especially on the forehead, it looks so orangey. I mean, it's like I would put some fake tan on my face. It's not a foundation. I will continue with the concealer, natural coverage, called Hide and Chic. I'm not a big fan of concealers on a stick, because I think they're quite rough on the skin. I mean, when you try to apply it, you have to, like, I don't know, I think it's a little bit harsh for the skin, but don't smell like anything. I will just try to apply under my eyes. Oh, you see, it's like it makes the skin like really, it's very harsh. You try to apply and you just need to go like really hard in order to actually have something under your skin. Don't really like it. I have to press really hard in order to get something on my face, and you know, on these areas under the eyes you have to be very delicate, like it's the most gentle zone of the whole body, and the last thing you want to do is to push harder than you're supposed to do, just because it's not a very good concealer, you know, and it's not really that light. I think I've chosen the wrong shade. The next thing I'm using is this Smoothly Does It pressed powder. It's in natural beige 2, super soft made powder for a shine-free finish, contains vitamin E. The powder is less or more acceptable. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this too. I feel my skin like so cakey, like you have no idea how cakey I feel my skin, because that foundation is a failure. But the powder, I think, yeah, it's a little bit little bit okay, but not too far from, don't know. I mean, what did I expect from such price and from such brand? And a cup of tea, always a good idea. I'm gonna continue with the brows with this brow kit. Says lazy your brows all day, every day with this all-in-one brow kit. This is in the shade Brunette number 2. Okay, I think this is gonna be the most suitable one for my color. Oh mine, that's interesting. Okay, let's see how it does the job. Okay, I can't complain with this. Yeah, it's not bad, I think. I mean, maybe you have seen in my previous video, I'm using an eyebrow kit from Barrier, which is not far from this. I mean, in terms of like price, yeah, I think this is not bad. This is something I would use actually every day, to be honest. Like, absolutely gem. Well, if you look for something affordable and it's actually okay, then give it a try, why not? I was lucky enough even to find an eyeshadow palette, which I kind of understood is a rare thing, so I picked up something more daring, something that I'm not usually going for because I'm more of a natural look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go this time for the purpley shades. I mean, why not? They look lovely. I'm gonna use again one of my brushes because I don't trust this kind of things in my life. I mean, not using these absolutely useless things. I'm gonna start up with this very light pale pink in the corner, which is this one. Quite pigmented, to be honest. I like it. But most important is how it looks on the eye. I think it's actually alright. Not the worst. Definitely not the worst eyeshadow I've ever used. I think it's quite alright. To be honest, doing this type of eyeshadow on my eyes is a little bit of challenge because I'm not an expert. I'm like awful, like completely awful in this kind of, I mean, especially this type of makeup, like the eyeshadow, like doing a complex one with 3-4 colors. Oh, I'm never bothered. Just some eyeliner and maybe one shadow on my eyelid, and that's it. Maximum I'd go for. Sometimes you gotta experiment, sometimes you gotta do things you're not doing every day, because why not? If you don't experiment and you don't try these things, then how on earth you gonna learn? Next I'm gonna use the same brush, but picking this purple color on the corner. That's a very daring color, to be honest, like very bright, very not me. I'm absolutely awful at this. I'm not even hiding. This video actually should be called How Am I Failing at Doing Makeup? But I think it's even more trickier when you use very cheap products. I think it's alright. It's not perfect, but it's not awful. Just somewhere in the middle. The next step is using the eyeliner. So this is the Pro Liquid Eyeliner. Long-lasting, intense color for bold and beautiful eyes. So here is the little tiny eyeliner. I'll have to give a miss to this eyeliner because I don't like the brush. The thing itself is very liquidy, it's like really watery. I was just trying to apply something on my eye and we're like boom, it's like sprayed on my cheeks and on my face, like what on earth? It's brown, like you could see even the applicator itself is brown. And after putting on my eye, is actually black. One thing I didn't find at Poundland is the blush, which is a very crucial step. So because of this, I think I'm gonna use my old blush. I don't know, guys, am I allowed to use my own thing while doing a video testing Poundland makeup? I don't know. Okay, I will do it. I will do it just because I don't think I can apply a highlighter without a blush. The highlighter, this one is a cream highlighter, super smooth, multi-use highlighter to add a touch of radiance to brows, cheekbones and cupid bow. This one is very creamy one, that's interesting. I might even use it after finishing my old highlighter. Why not? I mean, yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, I think this is a hit, like one of the fewest things I've tried. The last thing, I'm gonna use this intense color, Pot Matter Matte Lip color, which looks like this. It's a very neutral color, usually my go-to color. It smells really, really lovely. So sweet. So right, it's not that bad, but I think I got a very light shade, not something usually I'd go for. I like it, yeah. I think this is a very nice lip matte color kit for just like a quid. Yeah, I like it. It's definitely a hit. I hope you enjoyed this very long video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I mean, it turned out to be a nice look, to be honest. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash a big thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye!